In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your GoDaddy email to Gmail using PowerP3. By the end, you'll have your GoDaddy messages flowing right into your Gmail inbox, so you can read and reply from one place without switching tabs or apps. This approach uses PoP3, which imports copies of your messages into Gmail. It's simple, reliable, and great for centralizing your email. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign into the Google account where you want your messages to appear. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage more than one. If you aren't already on Gmail, I've put a direct link to the website at the very top of the description so you can get there quickly. Once you're in Gmail, head to Settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. A quick menu will appear. Choose See all settings to open the full settings dashboard, which gives you access to all the deeper configuration options you'll need. In the settings menu, select the Accounts and Import tab. This is where Gmail lets you bring in email from other providers. Look for the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts and click Add a Mail Account. A small window will pop up to guide you through the connection. Enter your GoDaddy email address exactly as it's set up with your provider, then click Next. When asked how you want to proceed, choose Import emails from my other account, PoP3, and click Next again. PoP3 is designed to download your messages into Gmail, which is perfect if your goal is to read everything in one inbox. Now fill in the GoDaddy mail settings. You'll be prompted for your email username and password, plus the PoP server and port details recommended by GoDaddy. Be sure to check, always use a secure connection, SSL, for a secure, encrypted connection. Depending on your needs, you may see options like leaving a copy of retrieved messages on the server or labeling incoming mail. Choose what fits your workflow, then click Add Account. Gmail will start fetching your messages and bring them into your inbox. If you have a large mailbox, give it some time. Gmail fetches in batches. That's how you can set up your GoDaddy email in Gmail using IMAP PoP settings and manage all your emails from one inbox. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching.